Hello everyone and welcome back. So far we talk about GDPR is what you need to do to comply and what happen when it all goes wrong. What if you have a data breach? What if a customer complaint? What are the real consequences of a GDPR violation? All right, let's set a scene. Someone in your company click a phishing link and boom, your customer database is compromised, and it's a oh no moment, right? The second the second you become aware of the breach, a legal stopwatch start ticking. First, you have a 72-hour deadline. That's just 2 days to investigate the breach, understand the scope, officially report it to your country supervisory authority, or this is your data protecting regulator. Failure to report on time itself a violation which can get you fined before they even look at the breach. Next, you have to access the risk to the people who data was lost. If it's high risk, think financial data, password, and health record. You can't just quietly tell the regulator. You have to inform those people directly and tell them exactly what happened and what they should to do protect themselves. And while you are managing this crisis, the supervisory authority launches its own investigation. They will asking you a tough question. They have the power to demand your record for policy and even audit your system. This is where your good record keeping, which we talk about, become your best defense. Okay, so let's talk about the part that makes headlines, the fines. And let's be clear, these are not just parking tickets. GDPR fines are designed to be a very powerful and skillful deterrent. They are two tier of fines. The lower tier or failure like poor record keeping or not reporting a breach on time can hit you with 10 million euros or 2% of your total global turnover for the previous year, whichever is higher. But the higher tier, this is for violating the core principle of GDPR. Things like processing data without legal basis, ignoring a user right to be forgotten, or transferring data outside the EU illegally. For these, the fine double. We are talking about 20 million euros or 4% of your global turnover revenue. And pay close attention to that phrase. Total worldwide annual turnover is in your part of a larger corporate group. They calculate that 4% based on the entire group income. This is how tech giants have been hit with fines in the hundred of millions. This is not a cost of doing business, this is a business ending threats. So now you might think, okay, let's pay the fine and it's over, right? Wrong. Uh, the fine goes to the government, but what about the people, your customer, your employee, whose data you fail to protect? This is where Article 82 comes in, and it's a game changer. It's give every single person affected by your breach the right to sue you for compensation, and they can sue you for two kind of damages. The one is material damages, and second one is non-material damages. Let's come with the material damages. This is a easy one to understand. If your data was used for identified theft and they lost money, you have to pay them back. Or in the non-material damages, this is a compensation for the distress, anxiety, and the stress caused by the breach. Think about how you would feel if you learned your private health detail were leaked online. That feeling has a price tag and a court can order you to pay it. So be a crystal clear, a single data breach can result in a double hit, a massive fine from the regulator and then thousands of individual compensation claim from every person affected. This is why preventive is everything. So that's a lot, and it's frankly a bit scary, but the goal is not to scare you, is to prepare you. Here are your key takeaways. The process is fast, 72-hour clock is for unforgiving, and you must be have a data breach response plans ready to go. And the two fines are massive. So we are talking percentage on your entire global revenue. And the three, the cause is not just the fine, the compensation claim for distress are real and can be financially devastating. Thank you and see you in the next video.